have no sound of your spectator run. That's a crate. Chilling. So I have no sound besides the rain. Oh! Wait, you both did it at the same time.
Wait.
Sean, be careful. No way you didn't hit you.
Darren,
No way that
please.
guy hit you. What the fuck? That's so ass.
Oh, this is Prime.
Nice summit.
We're on his right to his. He's one of the house, I think. Still.
Oh!
Is that guy?
Oh!
It's easier to summon.
Yeah, in the White House.
No, you fuck.
Yes! Wait, no! He took my
I thought
kill!
he's down so low. Why'd you stop there? There's a rock.
Darren logic. Goofy.
Because lay low.
I know, it's just funny. This nice flat grass looks real nice.
Exactly. That is good.
Very good.
His body! His body! I'm clicking that, even though I have no sound on you. What the fuck?
Darren's logic number 3.
I only have sound on life for some reason. Oh, there it is. It's back.
Well,
Damn, my hand pale as fuck.
I can't even spectate life now, it's broken.
Fucking bitch.
Dude, what? The camera! I'm watching you in third person! It looks like I'm watching Mario Kart, bro. Wait.
Should I go back and save mine?
you can't.
It's a summon.
Darren, you gotta do a flip.
Look in the snap group, Sean. Oh yeah, do a flip somewhere so I can film it. Tell me when you're gonna do it, because I can't see in front of you. You can only see, like, to your side and behind.
I can do it right now.
Alright, let me know.
You see that?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Yeah, baby! Woo! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! I summoned it, baby! Let's go! Let's fucking go!
Congratulations. Congratulations.
And now I can spectate life.
I made it up. I'm
Now
insane.
Darren's thing is fixed lame.
It looks like you're watching the credit, like,
Yeah.
the after race shit.
That's exactly what it is.
Like, do you have a car there?
I don't think so. Load for a second.
Oh,
Darren, cut straight north. Oh, what'd you do?
Not gonna lie. I can have a superior skill level now that I do that. Who else can do that? That's right. Nobody. That's the only person. Never
There's a
been done
rough
before.
area to drive.
Never been done before.
What? Yes!
Absolutely stupid.
What the fuck?
Completely retarded.